I just rode with Ryan. It was pretty good. Nothing too amazing, but still good. Alright, time to try the new ride, Snoopy Soapbox Racers.
There's kids riding it, so watch out.
Snoopy Soapbox Racers was good. Really good for a family coaster. That was the first time I was on a Vekoma Family Boomerang. One of the first to open in the US. Yep. Next is Diamondback. Diamondback is still really good. Tons of floater air time. Well, still nothing new when it comes to Vortex's replacement. We're riding the Beast. Beast was way better than I remembered. Mystic is still the best in the park. I do think Banshee is more forceful than I thought it was. After riding it twice just now. Adventure Express has undeniable aero jank. Just guys, I just read Flight of Fear. I think Flight of Fear redeemed itself. I had a much better ride this time. Well, that's enough for my day at Kings Island. I didn't film this, but I did get second rides on almost every coaster I've ridden today. That was good. Probably one of my best amusement park experiences ever. I feel like this video is gonna be really short, but I haven't done a vlog in 6 months. But yeah, today was good.